What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Sloppy Joes. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need potato buns, ground beef, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow onion, brown sugar, tomato sauce, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Dice a green bell pepper and a half a red bell pepper. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the veggies and saute for about 5 minutes. Add ground beef, break apart, and cook until brown. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Once the ground beef is done, remove the excess grease. Add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, a half cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. Give it a good mix and allow it to cook down for about 10 minutes. Spread mayo on the potato bun and toast. And there you have it, Sloppy Joes. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.